Blowing sand and dust, the gusty winds have restricted visibility along the I-10 corridor, and it's restricted visibility of the valley from up atop the tram. And you can see how windy it is as those trees continue to blow around. Front moving through, storm system dropping in, colder air coming in behind it. The area of low pressure will push some moisture in as we move, particularly into tomorrow and tomorrow night. Temperature-wise, well, we're running close to our seasonal average. We're almost up to that magic 74 number. We're just slightly below it. Low 70s, a couple of upper 60s. High wind warning through 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. A winter storm warning in our local mountains. And we can see some significant snow in the highest elevations, but the snow line is going to be extremely low, down around 3,000 feet, in some places lower. So that means snow in some unusual places. It won't last long because we'll warm right back up. But in the overnight hours of Tuesday into Wednesday, you're going to be impressed, I think, by the snow line. Winds close to 70 miles per hour. We've seen over 70 mile per hour winds in Whitewater. We're looking at winds of 25 to 30 miles per hour. Palm Desert just clocked a gust of 29 miles per hour. So we are seeing some of those gusty winds. Futurecast data says probably not much in the way of precipitation anywhere, but in the mountains we will see that tomorrow afternoon and then particularly tomorrow evening snow across the higher elevations, and maybe a couple of spotty showers here in the valley. But again, the precipitation totals would be very minimal. It would happen late in the night on Tuesday. You can see here we move into the evening hours, and then suddenly there's a possibility of some very minor showers. But it's the snowfall that's going to be impressive. Up in the highest elevations, we could see around 8 inches, some models saying more than that. And again, this is also going to be a Tuesday late afternoon, overnight Tuesday into Wednesday morning. And that's why the winter storm warning is in effect. This model, which sort of is a middle-of-the-road model, is showcasing nearly 6 inches of snow at Big Bear and 4 at the top of the tram. It's pretty impressive. 4 also in Idlewild, by the way. Numbers cool off tonight. It's going to be a cooler start to the day tomorrow with gusty winds. We are under a first alert weather alert through Wednesday. We still have the blowing sand and dust advisory through tomorrow night at 11 o'clock. We got temperatures dropping all the way into the lower 60s and overnight lows in the upper 30s. That's unusual for us for this time of year. We'll be back in the lower and mid 40s. We'll warm up into the 70s for daytime highs. So it does improve pretty quickly. But the next couple days, the wind is going to be the toughest part of this. But those cold temperatures aren't going to feel great either. Jennifer.